Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily delete your history on Google Chrome. So what you want to do is go here to the settings and now click settings. When you're in the settings, write to search settings history, and now you have here the clear browsing data, auto privacy and security. Click on it and now you will have clear browsing data, browsing history. You can the last 24 hours, unclick cookies and cached images and files, and browsing history and clear data. Has been removed from Chrome and sensitive devices. You're going now to make other forms of browsing history like search and activity. Okay, got it. Right now it's deleted and this is how you do it. What you can also do is to delete cookies. It's possible too, but this is the most easiest way how we can do it. If you like this video and if this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you everybody, have a great day and see ya.